I'm just gonna give you guys a basic, sobrang simplest framework on how you can tell better stories. It has usually these three parts, which is number one, setup. Means na we understand yung situation, yung context. Meron tension, conflict. Something changes or challenges the situation. And then a resolution. We experience a result or an insight. This is how you keep people engaged dun sa content mo. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung saan siya na-apply, no? Because this structure has been used across films, ads, and tingnan natin. Meron na ba nakapanood dito na Interstellar? Ganda ng movie na to. Gamitin natin tong framework na to. Ano yung setup? Earth, right? Basically, Earth is dying. Nandun na tayo sa point na yun. Sinetap yun sa simula, di ba? So ngayon, ano yung tension? Sa mga nakapanood, may hindi pa ba nakapanood? Sorry guys, masuspoil namin kayo. Pero man, you're missing out. Joke lang. What's the tension? Our main character had to leave his daughter and to go on a mission to save the human race. Kasi may one chance na lang si NASA na makapagpadala ng space mission. And ang goal nun is maghanap ng next planet Earth. That's the tension. Now, ngayon, ano yung pinaka naging resolution? No? Of course, like, syempre, when you create tension, you have to release it. Yung main lead natin, sinacrifice niya yung sarili niya. Because, ang ganda ng message, di ba? It's all about love. So, kaya, sorry na spoil namin for you guys. Pero gets, nakita nyo? Okay, next. Baka naman may hindi nakapanood ng Lion King, guys. Meron pa bang hindi nakapanood ng Lion King? Ano yung setup? Sige, game. Ano yung setup sa Lion King? Anak siya ng king, right? Simba is the heir to the throne. Kasi tatay niya si Mufasa. So ngayon, ano yung conflict? What's the tension? Where's the tension dun? Sa film na yun. Pinatay ni Scar si Mufasa. And ngayon, ano yung resolution? Kinonfront ni Simba si Scar to restore the balance. Nakikita niyo yung pattern, guys? Itong session na to is more of like pattern recognition talaga. Hindi ko kayang ituro sa inyo kung paano maging gawin better yung work niyo kasi mas magaling kayo dun. I want to input you like at least makita natin kung paano siya nangyayari on the high level. Kasi ito, Hollywood to, for sure alam natin. These guys, they do their work to keep us engaged. Yeah? Okay, next. Di lang siya ginagamit sa films, right? Ginagamit din siya sa ads. Nanoodin natin to. And then breakdown natin. Typical Nike ad, right? Ngayon, let's break it down. What's the setup? Okay. Ano yung nangyayari? An athlete faces limitations or doubts. Yun yung setup. Nagsimula dun di ba? Like, pinakita yung montage ng mga athlete na who face limitation in their own field. Now, what's the tension? The tension is how they push through, di ba? Like, yun yung laging, ni Nike, di ba? Like, overcoming limitations. And ngayon, ano yung resolution? They achieve something meaningful. At least to them, right? Anong galing ni Nike mag-marketing, no? Kung paano din yung communication sila. Like, nagbibenta ba sila dyan? Right? Hindi mo nakakamdaman no? Kasi kapag, yun yung napansin ko kapag hindi naramdaman nung nanood, na binentahan mo siya, mas willing pa siyang bumili sa'yo. Ang weird nun. May reason bakit Nike is one of the best brands out there. Like, for sure tayo, alam natin lahat. Sobrang ganda ng branding ni Nike. Next. Last example to.
Let me tell you about the
Life's a crazy one. Introducing the all-new 7-seater Volkswagen Atlas.
Nagka-nosebleed ako sa ad. Alright, sige. Can anyone tell me the story of the ad? Sige, dissect natin. So, what's the setup? When you observe yung setup, like, tignan nyo lang ano yung unang nangyari sa frame. Kasi di ba sabi nila, a picture says 1,000 words, di ba? So, may reason bakit nila nilagay yung opening shot na yun dun eh. Ano yung unang shot na naalala nyo? May nakalala ba? Right? Exactly. Good observation, di ba? Nag-start na agad. May nangyayari na. Di ba? They start at the highest. So ngayon, where's the tension? Kung dun sila nagsimula. Growing family. Kumbaga, the same situation happens over and over again. Tapos, kada nagpapalit, tumadami. They're telling you something. They're leading you to something. You're curious to know what's gonna happen next. Like, lalaki ba sila? Paano sila lalaki? Ngayon, what's the resolution? Basically, sa sobrang lumaki na sila as a family, kailangan na nilang mag-upgrade to a Volkswagen SUV. And ang galing ng message, di ba? As life grows, your car should grow with it. Nubunso, no? Ganda. Pwede pang gawa ng ano, pwede may continuation pa ng ano, di ba? Totoo. Ang galing, no? Like, isipin mo, like, naisipan pa nila na ma-feature lahat ng kotse nila in one ad. Na-insert nila yun. Napakita din nila yung history ng Volkswagen na noon pa man hanggang ngayon. Observation ko lang, like, di ko sure kung paano nyo siya nakita. Pero gusto ko lang i-invite na if we like look at these things on a different perspective, kung ano yung nilalagay natin sa framing natin, it tells a story na eh, di ba? Kung paano siya naka-frame, ano yung setting, gabi ba to? Alam mo, kung umaga to, tapos nandun sila sa kotse, diba? Parang hindi siya ganun ka-intimate. Pero you want that eh, as a storyteller. You want to frame it na, okay, may nangyayari sa loob. Ngayon ikaw, ano yung nangyayari sa loob? I want to know. Ano yung insight? May insight ba?
Yung effectivity ng ad is the bait and switch. Kasi it's giving expectations.
Ganda. Ganda observation nun, di ba? Binild up nila, sinet up nila na, uy, may nangyayaring ano sa loob. Intimate. Ano, di ba? Alam naman natin, ano nangyayari sa loob. Pero nung nirelease nila yung payoff sa dulo, naglalaro lang pala silang pamilya dun sa kotse. Isa sa mga ginagawa ng magaling na storytellers is, sa dulo, fini-fake out nila. Meron bang nagpa-follow kay Dave Chappelle dito? Sino mo nanonood kay Dave Chappelle, stand-up comedian? Basically, yung ginagawa niya, binibuild up niya yung story one way, and then at the last minute, nag-fake out siya. Meaning na fake out, entirely opposite of what everyone is expecting. And yun din yung ginawa nila dito. Kasi who are we to know like na nag-sex sila dyan sa loob? Hindi naman natin alam eh. But what's happening is, yung story alone, yung framing, the setting, it creates a story within us eh. It creates curiosity. So I invite everyone na, okay, lahat ng gagawin din natin, maging intentional tayo.